Okay, so to start adding phone numbers to your account, go ahead and click on the settings tab down here in the bottom left corner. This will then bring up the settings portion within your account. Then go ahead and click on phone numbers under business services again here on the left hand sidebar. This will now open the settings section for your phone system within your account. Now within your phone system settings, we have a lot of settings that we can change, remove, and add. To start with, before we dive into anything else, we're going to add a phone number. So to do this, go ahead and click on add number here in the top right corner, and it will present us with three options. So we can either add a phone number, which is for SMS and calls, sending and receiving. We have number pools, which is used for lead tracking. And then we have verified caller IDs, which is used for caller ID masking. So for 90% of people or 99% of people are going to use phone numbers for use for normal SMS and calls, sending and receiving SMSs and calls. So go ahead and click on add phone number. And then we can go ahead and select where we're based. So if you're based in the United States, select United States. If you're based in the United Kingdom, select UK, Switzerland, select Switzerland, etc., etc. In this case, let's select United States, and we're now going to get a list of phone numbers within here down below that we can choose from. There are three types of phone numbers that we can choose depending on your location. The first one is local, which will be a local number that is assigned an area of where that number is associated with. So in this case, we have